Hi guys, we are here to program the Universal Remote Control JJ-RC-SM24-LT. We got it from Amazon and this is what it looks like. And we're going to program it to the Chamberlain Accessmaster 1/2 HP. Also here we got the Purple Botton. And for that we have to press this button 3 times. As it says, Purple Botton, 2005 current, 315 megahertz. So I'll show you what I'm gonna do, or uncover this one, and it'll show you a program button here. So press this one, it'll give you a steady blue light here. Press the purple button. Press any button here. I'll press it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then purple button again. It should give you a click and a light from this motor. And then locked it from the program button. Okay, I'll show you how I'm going to do it. Blue steady light. Purple button for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3. Give you light and click. Press the purple button again and press lastly the lock it with the program button, and it should do it. We will try it. It will give you blue a light from this motor. You see, click and the light. We'll try the garage. Here you go. Close it. I have to click it twice. And here you go. That's how you program the Universal Remote Control JJ-RC-SM24-LT. Oh, by the way, we got it from Amazon. It's priced for $29 something before taxes for 2-pack. And hope this video will help you. Please don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.